7 years ago, I never could have imagined that fried rice could be so healthy, quick, and easy to make at home. Welcome, friends. Here is the third recipe in the series of basic recipes. Delicious fried rice, healthy, easy, and quick to make at home with choice of veggies, proteins, and controlled salt to add to your lifestyle. Stay tuned and find out how you can add fried rice to your lifestyle without the added salt and find out which sauce to use instead of soya sauce and why. Let's check the ingredients and cook the fried rice. Place a pan on the stove on medium heat. I am using canola oil here. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Add the purple cabbage, the edamame and carrots, the vegetables that take longer to cook first. Stir these vegetables and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover the pot and stir occasionally. Add the black pepper, stir the vegetables, and add the tamari sauce. Stir again and let it cook for a minute to two. Add the brown rice and mix well. Add the green onions and the celery and mix well. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low for about 2 to 3 minutes. While the rice simmers, whisk the eggs. Set the rice aside, place a frying pan on the stove on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Add a little salt to the eggs. Add the eggs to the pan and spread it evenly. Make sure you cook the eggs well. While the eggs are getting ready, let's quickly talk about the soy sauce and tamari sauce. Soy sauce is made from fermented combination of soybeans and roasted wheat. It is loaded with salt and preservatives. Tamari sauce, on the other hand, is a byproduct of miso paste, a Japanese form of soy sauce. It's mostly made with soybeans, water, and giving it a robust, savory, umami flavor. Usually use tamari sauce over soy sauce. It has fewer additives and preservatives than mass market soy sauce, and tamari sauce is gluten free. The eggs are ready. Roughly slice these cooked eggs into small pieces. Mix these eggs into the rice and veggies. Mix well. Serve it hot by itself or with another dish. In this series of basic recipes, I have posted recipes on brown rice, quinoa, and now fried rice. You can make fried rice with brown rice, quinoa, or raw cauliflower, or any other whole grain like millet or bulgur and enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal at home. As you enjoy watching and cooking these easy, quick, and healthy recipes at home, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for more recipes every week. Here is the delicious fried rice recipe, and do not forget to check in for the fourth recipe, a secret sauce that I use for majority of my recipes to make them easy and quick. For the full recipe and more, check out on my website at honeylemonginger.com/recipes. For nutritious weekly recipes, subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, with another great episode from Honey Lemon Ginger Holistic Health Coaching.